Hey everyone, welcome to this new data structure series. In this video, we'll discuss about the data structure hierarchy. Let's start. So what is this basically data structure hierarchy? So in data structure, we have two parts. One is primitive and another one is non-primitive. Within primitive, we have int, float, char, double, long. So these all are the primitive data structure. And within non-primitive data structure, we have the entire hierarchy. In this series, we'll talk about the non-primitive data structure. So what is this non-primitive data structure and what are the components we have within the non-primitive data structure? As you can see in my screen, that data structure, within that we have written non-primitive. If you can assume, then the scenario will be data structure, primitive and non-primitive, and in this series we'll talk about the non-primitive hierarchy. That's why I have written data structure non-primitive, and within primitive you have the int, float, char, double, as I have discussed earlier. So what is non-primitive data structure, and within that what are the types that we have? Within non-primitive data structure we have two parts. One is linear and another one is non-linear. So within linear we have four parts. One is array, second one is linked list, the third one is stack, and the fourth one is queue. So these are the four parts of your linear data structure. So within nonlinear data structure we have four parts. One is tree, the second one is graph, the third one is table, and the fourth one is set. So this is the entire hierarchy of our data structure. At first we have linear, then we have non-linear. Within linear we have four parts: array, linked list, queue, stack, and within non-linear we have tree, graph, table, set. So I would like to request everyone, just take a screenshot and you can print it as well. So just print it and stick to your wall. You need this thing for your entire career. In this series we'll discuss about the every portion of the linear and non-linear data structure in very detail. That what are the types of linear data structure and what are the types of non-linear data structure, what is array, what is linked list, and what are the types of linked list, that singlet, doubly, circular, and how you can implement all of these things together. We'll talk about everything in this series. So what you have to do, basically you have to go through the entire playlist, and what are the doubts you have, you just write in the comment section, and you can also reach out to me via LinkedIn or Twitter. The links are in the given description. You can go to my LinkedIn, you can go to my Twitter, and you can ping me your problem as well. So I hope these portions are clear. See you in the next video.